Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Fitter 2020 and mechanical engineering students. How to draw the involving of an equilateral triangle 15 mm side or 30 mm side. I'm going to teach you a 30 mm side. You can try a 15 mm also and 30 mm also. You will get a involved of a triangle. How to draw, I'll show you. Take 30 mm. Using a compass, make this point as A and B. So I'll get a point from A to B 30 mm. Cut one arc. Here also cut one arc. Then you will get a equilateral triangle. So that draw like this. You will get an equilateral triangle. So that you can extension the random line like this. Like this. And like this. You will get a random line like this. You will get a random line like this and make it as C here. After that, using a compass, take A and B measurement, keep in the B and cut one arc. Cut one arc. Then you will get a point 1. So we got a point 1. So again you extension from C to C1. One more radius, it will come like this. So this is the radius B and A. Radius B and A. So that you will get one circle. Again this is the point 1. So this is the point 2. This is the radius which is called radius C and 1, from C to 1. Next take from A to A2. So you will get a third point. So you will get a third point. This is the point 3. This is the radius A2, radius which is taken from A2. Thank you for watching for my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching my channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. If you ring the bell, subscribe and ring the bell, you will get a notification. Whatever I will draw, you will get a update. Thank you for watching my channel.